I don't. Mami started from sa insuo no. I don't know what insuo we na muntimi connect Emma. Before a bill so nte won insuo.
Ba me Kejetia Market say and okre ya started borehole project. Ya 2 holes no ya lay pipe. Akate ebekwa akoto reservoir tank ni. Na project na okre o hear say there mpanimfo ne contractor na ye agreement a o sanka by now insuo no aba. Then so there were a few contractual issues along the way. The last few weeks, and slow down. But the response I demand the traders and then moving for us at the weekend and then they said we believe it by the end of this week, no insurance starting flow. And the frustration because I check. So sometimes management, now your boys because and you may be happen here. And so be a little out of your hands. Of course, you know what the contractor engaging, but then you know physically. And you try the start, you negotiate. How much they say Akoma to Yama? Sure, say Yama go down by the end of this week. So never response. Oh, what a borehole? No.
So maybe all this what was the problem? Now most of the operational day. Who you should tell me me say
one company and a contractor and among commodity. Did you a year kochi biba untimi fast I mean na embambe tuja. Then so no yetinya resolve it those issues as they say ama you say you go forward to finish that project. Patch out the American.
And the Dabana sa insuya a more two or Kejetia no ebe start here adwuma
87.9.
Let me say by the end of this week. That is the year the
end of this week.
That is the specific age. We gave them the age. You don't start here with you.
Nana Prempeh.
Adriana.
Said you from Jano me.
I'm not working. Nana Opoku so very much aware. And now week way the first time o mashabo. Omutimi say your bobo so me because we can say May na ya anticipate say you free Ghana water. May you antimi anko free Ghana water. June you antimi free Ghana water. July you antimi free Ghana water. August you antimi free Ghana water. And next September and then the 5th you and I know say Ghana water by 10th no much I say the current month in every day. And almost 8 now, almost 7 years. Let me too. Let me be there. Let me just the my mono. A do one woman. You actually specific.
Me worry the back and forth all this while. And officially after report and penning for ewo Kejetia ejanisi nyina echi no omoni adwari for metrance together enchirem say we na ya conclude right
with respect to ensure and other issues pertaining to the market
na nkasa ejanasi awie ni adwari for ba metrance sinkunwa the local government report omodi abani nti we ni ene mo ka bibi sana bibi say
7.9 Kumasi
adana ba no say Kumasi panifo mo nyine asantema se mo nyine Kumasi adadifo ho amu nyine Kumasi adadifo ho so na bra ba mbesi say ka ebe ko mu say anya mo daju no na ka chawo say ya appear before the committee no Kumasi ebi mpo wodie enye djadie edafo ni nyina mpa wodie nipa kakra na omo ho aka no enipa 54 na omo getire omo kan bi nsem omo stores ase no omo getire ase no omo nya hunu omani da so no bisa se tanyini be na be from kra ka adodo omo mpo tanyini be na from adodo omo apart from adale gani sie na the public fanfare omo nyina be gu Kejetia na ya se we yaba no no single individual and afre ka o de nya gadifo o de Kejetia gadifo nyina untumi om but omo ho aka no Obian for Obia
87.9
and now come one can leadership no meeting right. Say and strategize the way forward. ni bi ankyere mo dia ne store ase dia ne betre ase ne wo hunu na ni kra no ya nta ne ha na dodo na wo nyina na mu sha ye be fi mu e na bi ankyere bi ankyere obia.
Wow. Operations for now nsuo dia wo say by Friday Kejetia for benyansuo. I don't want to begrudge you on that. Omon Kania, do you have idea the entiama all this one? I tell you for joining on Facebook page and come idea about Kejetia. And 24 hours are threatening a fresh demonstration. Following unconcerned situation and penning for AAU and any diama woman. Extensively back and forth discussion across wine. Your name the head of operations NFA Nana Prempeh Federation and aiding Komo. Bebacho Nana Opoku Amankwaah. As we speak, light and so what is the situation?
Opening the follow light and the situation from baby I start here and Union and up bear me out there. I have been around from day one. I was starlight and the situation now. It drew and so be ana light and contact class sign Emma project on by now here. And so a story because of the same issues with contracts and who is doing it and where is the technical support coming from. And you can't say okay, a blue stage be ECG for every my meters into ECG for every tequila. We are quite through that process. ECG for about Janim. There is a talk of Ombama the phone now flat rate. And then you don't a pair or yes, me as she says, and then the new meters. Before a baby meters, I was here pre-metering, and then pre-metering cost, and then the real installation cost. Nina, Adibia. Many she say it has taken long. However, into the nitty-gritty, and you might think it to the bill, they are never time process now go through. Into meters, the current information as at the last technical committee meeting, Omuko have I saw could do say, it appears say, let me say we have to transfer it back to a private contractor who will be supervised and monitored by ECG. This process every stage after now they have to now understand that private contractor the costing so they can sign the contract. And you know, a check, which is true. But a processor, I have front and back, and it is a needed front and back because a big project with big cost. You can't just allow it say the contract. Now Obima Ejoma Mama. And at this moment, the state of Tamimilim will only say the contract for permission is on the table. It has been given to the board of directors to look through before management can sign. At this very moment, management are yet the officer. And if you need the support from, and I said a directive from external or your big people, you can only wait at the number. And that is how I am management. I say, yes, actually, because it appears that when you have frustrated, it's the default. Don't show me it's the default problem. Life, water, any more kind of management. That is exactly the FFP because and no one ever boy I'm a manager done it easily. Into no so say. And fire who and I said, a Buapayabi and I say, I'm Pepsi by Amoma. Now it starts and because the reason why I'm opportunity to Nina sorry to about them are not necessarily say a Yakacha, but I didn't speak Kumasi Hano. Maybe you come as a home. But go school have a real and a Masaba the Yajima. Me pursue Johnny Tumpong. Into there is no way I actions by I am persuaded the way that is to process nature. A very difficult say will be between a cut corner.
So, say a bus, boy, yeah, you need a dear from big boss. Who are these big boss? Are a delay process, no?
I wouldn't use the. I wouldn't say delay. Not that means it's a place or much of that. I wouldn't say delay the process. The process is ongoing, and somebody has to give an approval. At this moment, it's moved from management to the board of directors.
Approval no yet Sampine, and it goes beyond Sampine.
Sampine is the board of the board chairman with his deputies and his board members.
And the entire board say and I say or board now agree with but love with an approval from somebody else and so.
My understanding is when a contractor, yeah, they are moving on company so they accept it, then they will give the go ahead for signing. That is why it is.
Wow. Nana Prempeh.
I'm your master. If I told my Nana Opoku Amankwaah clarification, who's a meters?
Aye.
And along the meters, no, or can I say private supplier?
Yeah, for now, they've started saying, ECG bebo, a private developer bebo, a private contractor bebo, under the supervision of ECG. That is on one small what can I say?
I don't have a person clarification because we don't have the drift between the Nana Opoku and the ECG and the government officials that on Timber can say electricity company of Ghana. Air supply the meter 6,005. And that's no, dying because based on Momonu Masem and the actually 2 years before electricity company of Ghana say, oh, my meter 6,005. Now, and yet the other is the person who said, they say, and yet electricity for not only meter, and that to take them abiding the Omobeka say, Omo meter 6,005, no, and then Omuni Bie, that they had the Akoma Beba form, it's an idea. Electricity was so meter. It's a private supplier and other supplier meter and into the whole contract delay on
Amankwaah, any clarification to question Nana Prempeh be saying?
When the status of the project is that our contract, I do why a contractor, I was tempting for a signing now process, pre-machine contract, already now the pre-machine contract, Nana Prempeh aware said the pre-machine was going to be done by a contract ECG for, of course, providing meters. No more, but they also have competent and approved suppliers. That is how this project, in the ECG area, private contractor can on a pre-machine or other processor. They are all part of the process. But not actually project. At this very moment, the project is in its contract stage and the contract has to be signed.
Nana Prempeh, we are clear.
When you are said the first contract and a contract. How many years and a contract you ever signed? Again, about the Cataba Bontino and Catachureno as a sea Canadian, you dance Catachureno, it's taking more action than Catachureno. Look at it in the dozen. Because they anticipate to say, by now, enter such separation works no crack by now, because the idea will be a detail we say, not by September and now October, not common year separation works in the crowd. As the ECG, taking the last quarter, no, 15 meters. As a person was to grant unions and whole contracting. It means before the end of the year, no, I was feasible say a bit in your meter. So then for your main and again, about take it from me. Me, I didn't give me power in the come and then yes, I'm really able to media to that. See a Yakokwasa, yet now the young Catachra and Catachra. You 2024 January, Kejetia meters, young to your NCB. At the leadership level, you're near crowd to say, your mouth were, your cancer, and that, oh, your COVID, and then you're going to say, about that putting them in the corner, say, leadership of crime, like compromise your friend, and some management to be a woman, and we aren't going to take that time. No. They kept telling them before, and they never a meeting. Some training to remove their banner there, and the crocodile that Johnson.
These are very serious position from the J24, but Nana Opoku Amankwaah, head of operations at the Kejetia. I just want to be a fan who joining here. Simple. The back and forth of Kejetia has been a major problem, and in fact, it continues to be a problem. All these were back and forth. So, Opoku, let me assure you the force with awaiting your boss's directives. by ending of 2023 adwadifo benya nkania individually ewo Kejetia.
Unse uputi me se corner bi say for such specifics e be ye diama me pa because the wo share me ankasa process no from this is going to office over a year and if you are more frustrated I can equally say so because at a point you get to a stage where you think everything is clear and then the technical people and those who understand the electrical infrastructure will come up with a new design and a new see maybe the minimum where we are at the moment and then I make me account. There is another DBA me pacho penny I was telling me come the different penny funny here I work marking right here same way say in the middle of all this can Ghana water the electricity of this facility. There is another facility that we are building and we have to not just fight for this. If we know very well that there is a facility that should have had this earlier until we have no. I'm just chipping this in. Say sometimes yes, a problem never. No people who are handling the problem at this very moment becomes those responsible. But the shorter. We have to get this done before a problem. But I just wanted to drop this in.
Not just who as operations we are worried would delay our ecoso Kejetia Market na Central Market da hɔ yenye nwie no.
No, everybody has to be because what somebody can say we are addressing this issue, but there is a comprehensive project and there are reasons why the electricity and the water problem now happen with Kejetia phase 1. Who's another Prempeh Kasana no can be as to the reason why our bond commit and there is no water. Let's go back and make sure that doesn't happen in future projects. That is my reason why I think that when we are fighting for causes, it should be very comprehensive in this country. Yes, sir. You better solve one isolated issue, then there's another one, then there's another one.
And by extension, the Awokache Kumase Asantemen and say, Yanya worried, I will delay our ecoso, our Central Market, and we should ask questions. It's Sana Opasotre.
I'm more interested in the meter issues and the water. Water project, the Ukraine means why it is solved. But what I'm saying is, facilities, there are challenges to handle. We should insist and make sure it gets corrected in the next phase. That's what I'm saying.
Information ben why you need to raise this concern.
Gentle makers say, minimum what the water will be there, minimum what the electricity will be there as we speak now. So I'm only putting it in so that we would all talk about it. That's all.
Okay, Nana Prempeh, final question, final point, anything I'll press. Okay, I need to wrap up the discussion.
Again about the dashi. Nana Opoku only about phase 2 no one 7 there. I mean, so the baby or no say yeah, and I want to try a neighbor. But the year can say, Kogi, Opama reporters in Kejetia here. And the Central Market that then like a tenant or and then Kejetia is there now bad. I don't think I do better to Mako is that because the gray about Kejetia about the no I'm not for see a penny and the first one there. Anticipation say for beer any doesn't see a very phase 2. But then uncle phase 2 no know. Yeah, or your team will take the say no more say a compound. And the other, and the other more what commercial before. The committee report no ever back a because the report no ever to me abwa addressing the major challenges now. That now how a work in general. And also no other engineers committee report. Can you be anchor water? Your MPC Musa water, your regular Musa water. That's what we are coming here to be. If you get can say, your cat and get your man penny for. Yamaya timelines. See and that. And now no pay, that's actually a book or done it would done me. Then she said, I didn't go a cremon and you're going step by step. Now, the baby teacher say, you're dead now, you're dead, my hono. Several approaches and never be bring you go a crema, but you better take you one at a time, one at a time. But the final day near the management, your copy board, the process, you know, but the bread you say,
Nana Mibo sa central market no eno say yes ya siska na eni ho eno nkwa na aka ska wo ha nko ma wie na ye jai all project sino hydro project
Adriana, who is there about central market phase 2 now? You were made to believe me kai contact by a site meeting with the advance Akoma code. The information was not as a set all things being equal. And that was 2022 at American you. Not as I said by the first quarter of 2024, Omuye Central Market. First quarter, that is April 2024. 87.9. There's a Omuye Central Market. You have to say, Busome Nkunye, you're more, you're father, Baba, who crown Bomu Central Market. You have to say, Busome Nkuni, Busome Nkuni. You're more tobacco crowd Central Market. You're near both and not tobacco crowd Central Market. And you man at the hub Busome Nkuni. And one minute contract and penny for the back could be being come. Or the Empo, the Sikata Hona, take Central Market near on coming to me for 5 years. Ọtụ sosika da hɔ nnɛ sika omu yie nyinaa da hɔ nna Central Market Africa omu ntumi mfa nie but onum sɛdeɛ ɔhaw na ɛwɔ Kejetia no titiɛ no bia naba ɛne deɛ adwadifoɔ ɛɛfɛ mu no yɛmpɛ sɛ ɛbɛka nsɛm no nyinaa bɔm bebree ɛgyina saa ma wotwe panyini bi a wonhunu deɛ wotwe ne mu because yɛdifo ɛsuo ni saa bɔ mu sɛsia no a ɛbɛma ɔhaw na adwadifoɔ no fam wɔ Kejetia sɛsia a anɔpa bɛkɔ yɛalɔko nipa bɛyɛ 300 stores no ɔmɛyɛ sɛ phase 2 Central Market both ana wo the fear nipa ni fam no mu bu omani aguso enti ya pese ya fan one at a time say ya no mu ye meter ni inside nsam na no senso ni do mama ya fiada ya ni senso ni be firi mu fiada ta no maka na so ya ba nkania ni dia no so na so adana ba ya because ya kabo ma aso na o ba ko hawa ya ba ni de ya ka so no na no akwa danche so ni de a major challenge a major problem you need so na high say a delay but you say a delay in praying the year from say no it be resolve we na you go face to because you say you do na over more than 10,000 also go fear omu here ni mu say e ka nyame adama afeda this time ni na no se be wie Central Market to no mo so enya we obi on ma kofi e bubu ni store Central Market race course kura we enya bi na makata onya ba bi di container bi ko si kono container so nko bo no restaurant e ko ni pakra be for e dia ko akwa di dakra ya asem eti bubu ni de eye pa obi ani di hu se ye si da fu program na de fo e se so obi abo ni na sinima boss wo na o hwe se ebeba na the more na edumani dile no the more na nipa bi so abrabo fa but ko bi se na America no ya pese ene ye yiro omumu tawe den then when you are Canadian in some year floor, you know much of your
okay, Nana, operations. Tie wow boss Kofido for Mr. Do for timeline. That buying a Kejetia meters be ready to each shop.
Main fan is any event. So bo meters are 7,300 shops. Won't mean in a month. No matter resources how they call on. It be take time. They buy a home by the end of this year and Obi meter.
By the end of 2023,
including separation of meter lines, then installation. Okay. Before you be bronya this year, record it. First, let me tell you, okay. 6,000.
And by the end of December 2023, Kejetia to each shop.
Main fan is any event. So bo meters are 7,300 shops. Won't mean in a month. No matter resources how they call on. It be take time. They buy a home by the end of this year and Obi meter.
By the end of 2023,
including separation of meter lines, then installation. Okay. Before you be bronya this year, Obi record it. First, let me tell you, okay. 6,000.
And by the end of December 2023, Kejetia meter. Mr. Do for timeline. That buying a Kejetia meters be ready to each shop.
Main fan is any event. So bo meters are 7,300 shops. Won't mean in a month. No matter resources how they call on. It be take time. They buy a home by the end of this year and Obi meter.
By the end of 2023,
including separation of meter
lines
no the installation before you be the bronya this year record first na meter ni ho
okay
ECG say o meter 6,000
and by the end of December 2023 Kejetia obi anya meter Mr. Do for timeline that buying na Kejetia meters be ready to each shop.
Me fan say any event. So bo meters am 7,300 shops. Won't me no in a month. No matter resources how they call on. E be take it time. They buy a home by the end of this year no obi abenya meter.
By the end of 2023
including separation of meter lines no then installation before you be the bronya this year obi abeka ni record. First na meter ni ho. ECG say o meter 6,000.
And by the end of December 2023 Kejetia obi anya meter. Operations.
Yes.
Maybe I'll boss ni. Are you surprised?
Let me tell you, when was this? What month was this?
When I say June.
June.
This
Okay.
year.
My understanding of this project so far of the process is that it will take 6 months to complete. 6
months from Enekwa says almost 30.
6 months when they start. That's how they give the information. 87.9 Minimum say the contractor no every because before Uber start here, there should be contracts and things that has been done. And I think that my boss was privy to some information as of June until this message came. But at this moment, the new Busan is here. Means me ma specific date. But I mean, say once the project starts, it will take 6 months. In 2 years or Qatar June, the sure another anticipation was July. The project was start. Until now, maybe he has some information which I didn't have.
Nana Prempeh. Don't forget to Kejetia meter. And now I think I can declare that. No.
As far as the troubles need. As far as
no, is he on the Chroma penning for they are consistently inconsistent because I'm surprised with I don't know the interest will be one tier. Yeah, that's what baby are doing. And Samuel Pine say meter keke when to me am born with Kejetia, then I don't know what is wrong.
Akoma FM
together with the board. I mean, what is happening? Meter. Nana Kejetia for Mutima no pay. Mumita no forget Monsanka. Operations medal say Nana Prempeh. I think you can't get your meter. No, that's for a fact. Yeah. I can't say see no. I mean, you can't get your meter. Forget.
I don't know about attest to the admonition.
For now, they forget. 87.9. Won't forget it because the hands that are involved, any interest, yeah, I was a meter assembly. You know, it goes beyond the interest of a 24. No, forget. Bubenya cry just about 1 year time, and I'll be about after 2024. That's a fact. And I just say election time do normal but 2023 forget Obianu Abenya meter. I'm telling you this for a fact. Nana I am fan community. We wasting our time. Yes. Any idea you need a showdown. Just showdown. What kind of Jamuni showdown? Yeah, forget. Mundi showdown. Yeah, massa. What did you work? You can call.